Are you currently having balance problems on your TikTok app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to just open up your TikTok app and then come to your profile right here, as you can see. And now on your profile, then what you're going to do firstly is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, you should now get these options right here, which is perfect. So now on this page, just click on settings and privacy in here, as you can see, and then we're just going to scroll down in here and click on report a problem. And now we're just going to scroll down and click on TikTok balance, as you can see. Now you can just click on other in here. So just click on other, then click on other once again, click on need more help. And as you can see, you should now be taken here. Now on this page, just actually, just write to them, report a problem. Just write like this, report a problem. And click on submit a ticket in here. And now you need to write like this to the support. I am having issues with my TikTok balance. And you can also explain your issue. Maybe it's negative balance, for example. I don't understand. I don't understand why it's like that. I need this to be fixed. And then click on submit. And then you're just going to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to be able to actually see it. So I can click on view my support ticket in here, as you can see. And basically, yeah, as you can see, they have actually right now already responded, as you can see. So quite often they will respond very quickly. If they don't, just wait 24 to 48 hours and hopefully now they will respond back to you, and hopefully after that it will be fixed for you.